YouTube, how's it going? John here at Herman Woodworks, out in the garage. Need to do some cleaning. And one of the problems I've been dealing with is I want to get back to actually doing some of the woodworking, and the lighting in here is not great. I have three standard bulb. It's just the low end LED bulbs, but kind of wanted to get something over the shop area. Actually, the one on the far side's burnt out even right now. Decided to upgrade. All right, was up at the old Home Depot, saw one of these, it was on sale, and decided just test it out, see if it was gimmicky or see how it'll work out. So I'm going to kind of put this on the middle outlet up here in the workshop. That ball will take out, I'm actually going to put over there, but I want this to go right over the workbench. So yeah, this is the Supernova one. It supposedly is up to 7,000 lumen. They had some other ones that were motion activated. Didn't need that, just need something on and off with the switch. So yeah, I'm gonna go outside, open the garage door, kind of do a before and after. We'll see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the before. It doesn't seem horrible through this phone, but when you're in person, it's a little lackluster for what I want to be, taking measurements and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get the other one plugged in and take a look at that. Coupon for the next one, in case we ever decide to get another one. All right, these came all folded down, but I've got it all opened up. I'm going to kind of angle the outermost ones kind of up a little bit so it projects out towards the wall. I'm going to go ahead and turn all this off, get this screwed in, see what it looks like. All right, that's just from the garage door opener lights. Let's kick this thing on, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's a nice crisp light. Now when I actually install the light over there, it'll definitely be a lot better. Got some cleaning to do. Been making a lot of maple syrup. Got stuff boiling right now. Kind of been busy. I dig it. We'll see long term how it holds up. It's only reviews I've seen a couple people post is longevity of it. We'll see. I mean, they claim 30 years, but maybe some people just get some bad ones. But yeah, we'll do a follow-up on it maybe later on, see how it holds up. But first impression, just out of the box, liking it. All right, YouTube, just a quick video on that. Like I said, long term, we'll see how this thing holds up. Maybe we'll do another video on it. But I got to go back to doing some cleaning and making some maple syrup. Everybody have a good one.